Hi, Z! Say hi to our vlog, anak. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, it's good afternoon na pala. Late kami lumabas. Ayan, update lang sa aming YouTube channel. Dito kami sa park, malapit sa amin. Ayan, medyo malamig. Hindi talaga medyo malamig. It's windy. And the weather is not good. Palabas-labas lang yung araw. At naulan kaninang umaga. But then, we need a fresh air. No, Z? Kasi hindi kami lumabas kahapon. We didn't go out yesterday. So ayan, dito ang play area ng mga toddlers. Pero of course, hindi pa pwede si Ziz dyan. So maglalakad lang kami for today's video. So, ayan guys, hindi siya busy. Walang masyadong tao. Usually sa hapon maraming naglalaro ng football dyan. Yep. And this is a big park. Malapit sa amin. Thameside. And yeah, kahit mahangin, at least nakalabas kami ni baby. Opo. Ayan. So, ayan. Papakita lang ako. Ayan. Turn na naman kami. Favorite color? Yellow. Favorite ba natin ang yellow, anak? Joke lang. Once a blue, always a blue. Wala pa akong ligo, guys. Kagabi nag-half bath lang ako. So, makikita nyo yung hair ko is sticky. Ma-oily. Sisi, wala man lang reaction. Nagcharat yan. Shout out sa daddy namin na si Simon. Malapit na siyang pauwi. It's Friday and he's finishing at work at 2 p.m. So, see you, babe! See you, daddy! Love you! So, ayan guys, talagang hindi ako pinapansin ni Z. Mahangin kasi, hindi ko alam kung nilalamig inaantok. Pero usually ganyan talaga siya pag alam niyang may hawak akong camera. Diyos ko, bata-bata pa, ayaw na ng camera. So, sorry. Naglamis! Naglamis! Siya, kapit ka! Z, look at mommy. Uy! Uy! Look at mommy! Kabusangot ka na naman. Diyos ko, inang asawa ni ama. So guys, this is just a quick video update to our channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and hopefully we can see you again in our next vlog. Thank you guys for watching.